Still on the first part here, introducing the Ichimoku Kinko Hio indicator, and this is the overall interpretation. As mentioned earlier, the Ichimoku Kinko Hio has 5 different elements. The Tenkan line or the Tenkan Sen, and the Tenkan line is always the red line. This is the MetaTrader platform. The Kinjun line and the Kinjun line is the blue line here. Then the Senko A and the Senko B, so Senko A and Senko B. The distance between the Senko A and Senko B represents the cloud. If the Senko A is higher than the Senko B, then definitely the cloud should be green. And if the Senko B is if the Senko A is lower, if having a lower value than the Senko B, like it is the case here, then the cloud it is actually red, so a bearish cloud. Bullish case, bullish cloud in the first instance, a bearish cloud in the second instance. The Kumo or the cloud is represented by this shape here, and there are a lot of strategies to be employed based on it. In a rough translation, the Ichimoku Kinko Hio means equilibrium at a glance, and the whole indicator is actually representing a balance between future and price and past price structure or price action, if you want, price structure most likely. Now, if history is a good indicator regarding the future price movements, then this indicator is one of the best tools to be used for that. The balance, let me take the objects list first from here. The balance comes from the fact that compared with the actual price, the cloud is projected forward 26 periods. So this is the actual price, okay? So compared with the actual price, the cloud is projected 26 periods, as you can see of the crosshair there. This is 26 periods. So the cloud is projected 26 periods forward. Basically, the Senko A and Senko B lines that make up the cloud are projected 26 periods forward. And the general interpretation is that the cloud should offer support when price is testing it from the upside, and resistance when price is testing it from the downside. Let's try to take a look here. So the general interpretation is that here it is below the cloud, as you can see, and cloud should offer resistance when it is first tested from the downside. So tested resistance, so basically it is being rejected for 1, 2, 3 candles here. In this case, only building energy before moving forward. So as you can see here, the cloud offers resistance. Let's just write, because by the time we are going to discuss, you will just have the visible parts of our discussion on the screen. So resistance here, and of course it should offer support when price is testing the cloud from the upside. So here price is breaking above the cloud, and by the time price is testing the cloud, in this instance it is offering support. As you can see, by the time it is testing there, this is a support area, and price is being rejected to the upside. Both Senko A and Senko B treated individually should act as a support resistance area as well. The Kinjun and Tenkan lines refer to current price section. This is the current price section, as you can see. So the Kinjun and Tenkan line are always where the price is, while the Kinko, the green line, represents the current price levels shifted 26 periods back in time. So that gives us 3 periods of time, if I may say so. The current price, where you see the crosshair now on the screen, price shifted 26 periods to the downside back in time for the Kinko, and then price shifted 26 periods for the Senko A and Senko B that gives out the cloud. And there you go. This is the reason why the Ichimoku Kinko here, it is being called equilibrium at a glance. Now the balance or the equilibrium is being represented by the fact that price is finding a balance in a 52 candles range. This is the 52 candles range from here to here, 52 candles range, and between this range price is actually finding right in the middle right here. So again, the classical interpretation of this indicator is that by the time price is coming and hits the top or the bottom of the cloud, it should be rejected. First, see here as well, it is hitting the cloud, rejected, and then breaking to the upside. The first time it is hitting the cloud, it is also rejected for approximately 7 candles there, and so on and so forth. So this being the general interpretation of the Ichimoku Kinko here. Now on the next recording, I will try to stay at the same chapter with the overall interpretation, and we will go through the basics of this potential strategies to be employed on the Ichimoku Kinko here. So stay tuned please for the next recording.